Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a little while, but the much anticipated video of me going kayak fishing has come out. I'm just out in my kayak right now. My family's on the shore watching me. We're gonna take a ride just to fish along. I'm gonna start out with a blue and black dinger. I have it wacky rigged. It's by Yum. Yeah. Start at this little spot over there. Actually, I'll take sunglasses off. I'll try that water there. It doesn't look bad. I mean, I usually catch something there. In a second, if I don't catch something, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paddle on top of the weeds, and I'm going to get into a good spot where I can just like literally drop it on bass beds. You think they're going to get so spooked, but truth is, most of the fish I catch out of this kayak, I just drop right down. So actually, I'm going to put this rod back. Right there, we're gonna go over the weeds. This is so good. For the first time, I remembered to bring a scale in the kayak today. Previously, I've caught some 2-pounders, but I don't know their exact weight. Some of them could have been 3s, but I like to go at a lower estimate than a higher estimate. Sometimes I like to get closer to their weight. Good spot. If I get stuck in these weeds, of course I'm not going to get stuck, but it'll be hard to get out, is what I'm saying. And guys, if you're wondering where I'm fishing, it's at my private pond on my family's property. About a 1-acre pond, maybe 3/4 of an acre, so it's a good size for kayaking and john boating. We don't put motors in this boat though, we always paddle. Oh gosh, this is... Got it. Alright. Let's go to our next spot. Oh my gosh. Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh, no! I was like, what is that? Is that a stick or is that a fish? He's right under there. Oh gosh, okay. Fish. That's a fish. Just letting y'all know, I have a fish. He is swimming with bait. I'm gonna set the hook in 3, 2, 1. Got him. Oh my gosh, yet again. I should have said that harder. Okay, they're biting. This spot is kind of backing up, so I can the second tree right here. This is like tree banks. There's like a million fallen trees. And then over there, we call it the honey hole, because there's so many big bass that we pulled out of there. And then over there we call that the weed bank. We catch a lot of like little ones over there. That's where I like to go get the skunk off the boat, but that's not where it happened today. Oh Oh yeah, that's a bite. Okay. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes from last time. Set the hook harder. 1, 2, 3. Got him! Got him! Good fish, good fish. Got him. Actually, he's tiny. Come on. Come on. Good set, so just no, it's not gonna come off. Into that. Maybe about 3/4 of a pound. Bring my net. Come on. Got him. Yeah, this little guy. Alright, buddy. We will weigh you, I guess. We'll weigh all of the fish that we catch today. We'll be able to revive quickly. Not gonna let you go though. Okay. Turn on my scale. Let's 7 ounces. Ah, good boy. Alright, well, we have a 7-ounce fish in the boat. Would not be legal in my fishing tournaments. But the skunk is actually, like, officially out of the boat.